Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to see how to adjust the sound quality in Samsung Galaxy A17. So let's start. First you need to go to your settings, scroll down and go to sounds and vibration. Then scroll down and go to sound quality and effects. From here you will see there are multiple options, so let me explain you. First you need to enable this option, which is loudness normalization. So what this option do is that, so if you are watching a video and the sound rises instantly or the volume gets lower instantly, so it will normalize it so you can hear it properly. The second option is equalizer. So you can use it according to your liking. If you want voice to be smooth, clear or in bass, or if you know how to use equalizer, you can also customize it like this, but I prefer balance. Now the third option is Dolby Atmos. To enable this option, I need to be connected with my earbuds. So let's connect it. So I'm connected with my earbuds, as you can see from here. Now enable it. So there are multiple options like music, movies and voice. I prefer auto because it optimizes all these three according to which one you are using. So I hope you like this video. If you do like, please hit like, subscribe, and I will see you in next one.